ka surjong phi ka thang jangi
Kaminsiam jong ka jingra khe ya ka it kaladap hakaleng kanong ba shilong ne ka si kit khot jong ka jat benriu muslim kilara khe ya ka ne da ka jing duai ka jingero but ka jing sno kamen lasa khe ki jingelang ki ba he ha ka porman step ha ki mos but ki madan duai bapli ha ka ba ki riunget kila it ya ki jing duai it ki ba kerpang ka ba penpau ya ka jingkot jong upanai bakuit jong ka ramadan ha ki benta kum halaban pat hapulu layu i yaki long yeng ki bala phong yaki jan tenrai kat bagi kena ki layo ma di ki jingbam thiang bat ki la pedyang ya ka it kinoyalam jong ka emlang salang ki la pen ken mau ya ka jing don kam jong ka jing isne jingerap bat jingetli ha ka babun ki la ai jingerap kum ki bam bat ki tiar badon kam shakito ki baduna ya ka jingyo jingerap ka bapen pau ya ka mensiem ka bashisha jong ka it
Wish all the people of Meghalaya happy Eid Mubarak. The blessing of Allah Pak is there. We live very peacefully and humbly. We don't want to exaggerate anything, but pray to Almighty Allah that peace and harmony will be prevailed in our state. Whatever happens, we can take it from the government in other way. Only my request to ANTF, when they catch this thing, not only the name should be there, address only so that we pursue the case and feel that these people are doing all rubbish. They are not Muslim who can do this. They are not Muslim, they are not believer of Islam, so that they will do this thing.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا